So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now let's do a quick analysis for what you are going to be expecting for the day. If you have not yet watched the weekly analysis that we did on GBPUSD, check the channel so you will watch the full breakdown of what we will be expecting for the week on GBPUSD. Now we would want to see what markets will be doing for the day. But before that, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you have not done that yet. Make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Now, let's start with our trend on GBPUSD. First thing first, before we take a trade, we need to know what the trend is. And as you can clearly see, GBPUSD is in an uptrend move. So we are strongly a bullish move to the upside. The market is on an uptrend move. So this is our first high. This is our daily time frame, by the way, guys. So this is our higher high. Then GBPUSD was able to pull back to give us an higher low, right? The market was able to then push up again to form a new higher high. And here comes the higher low. Markets then push up one more time again to form a new higher high. And here comes the higher low. Market then give us some more movement again that formed a new higher high. And here comes the higher low, right? Market then push up one more time and it formed a new higher high. And here comes the higher low, right? Now that we've gotten this higher low, market have been able to push up again to form a new higher high. Right, this is our new higher high that market has formed. So our next movement will be an higher low. So an higher low is what you should be expecting next on our GBPUSD. So expect GBPUSD to give you an higher low, which will just be a pullback. Once the higher low can play out, then another bullish move that will form a new higher high. So now that pullback, we also reflect on our forward time frame because we had a little minor pullback here, and this is a massive bullish move. You all know that once market makes a massive bullish move like this, the pullback will most likely going to follow. So this is one of the reasons why you should not hop in for the buy. Instead, be patient enough for market to pull back. Once market can pull back, then you now go in for your buy again. So guys, before you go ahead and taking your buy on your GBP USD, wait for your pullback. Be patient and wait for the pullback to form. Once the pullback form, then you can now go ahead and take your buy on your GBP USD. More updates will be covered for you guys. So all you just need to do is subscribe, follow the Telegram channel, click on that subscribe button and stay will be updated.